Introduction to multiplication. Groups. A group is a collection of objects of the same type. This is one group of two flowers. These are two groups of two flowers each. These are three groups of two flowers each. These are four groups of two flowers each. Repeated addition. Look at the butterflies. These are five groups of two butterflies each. The total number of butterflies is 2. Plus 2. Plus 2. Plus 2. Plus 2 equals to 10. This means 5 times 2 equals 10. The repeated addition is called multiplication. We write the multiplication sentence like this. We say 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. We also say that 10 is the product of 2 and 5. Skip counting. Skip counting is a method of counting forward or backward by numbers other than 1. For example, to do skip counting in twos, we keep adding 2 each time to the previous number. Here, if we add 0 plus 2, we reach number 2. Then we add 2 plus 2, we get 4. Similarly, we get the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on by skip count of 2. Let us skip count by 5s. To skip counting in 5s, we keep adding 5 each time to the previous number. If we add 5 each time, we get the count of 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Multiplication table. Let us first understand the table of 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 10 is 20. Now let us learn the table of 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. Now let us learn the table of 10. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. Multiplication facts. On multiplying any number by 1, the product will be the number itself. For example, there is one bird on each branch and we have 5 birds. So, 5 times 1 is 5. On multiplying any number by 0, the product will be 0. For example, there are no flowers in any of the flower vases. And we have 0 flowers. So 5 times 0 is 0. On multiplication, the order doesn't change the answer. Deepti and her brother got a chocolate cookie box from their parents on Children's Day. Both the boxes have 20 cookies, but the arrangement is different. Look at the arrangement of cookies in both boxes. The chocolate are arranged in Deepti's box like this. 4 groups of 5 cookies in each. This means 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20 cookies. Deepti's brother arranged the chocolate in this manner. 5 groups of 4 cookies in each. This means 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20 cookies. Therefore, 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 is multiplied by 4. Multiply vertically. Find 6 multiplied by 2. Recall the table of 2. We get 6 times 2 is equal to 12. It can also be written vertically like this. Skip count of 3, 4 and 6. Now, we will learn about skip counting by 3s, 4s and 6s. If we skip count by 3, we get 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. To do skip counting by 3s, we keep adding 3 each time to the previous number. Skip count of 4. If we skip count by 4, we get 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. To do skip counting by 4s, we keep adding 4 each time to the previous number. Similarly, we can skip count by 6. We get 6, 12, 18. Let us learn the table of 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30. Let us learn the table of 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. Now, let us learn the table of 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 10 is 60. Story problems. There are 2 parrots sitting on a tree. How many parrots can sit on 3 trees? 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Thus, 6 parrots can sit on 3 trees.